Good day, meron tayong special build again for our very special client, Triple VIP. Congratulations, by the way, to this very special client. Okay, base model natin. No, it's not a base model. It is the V6 Raptor 2025. Guys, this Raptor, kakalabas na ng Casa ng Cebu, dinala dito para i-set up, tapos babalik siya ulit mamaya to Davao. Doon na siya magka-camping. Okay, this is the 2025 Raptor V6 with just 1,000 something kilometers na tinakbo. Ayun, sagarin natin. Okay? Siyempre, this is an overlanding build, sagad to the max, 'di ba? We start off with the very aesthetics of the car. Siyempre, hindi tayo papaulo with the aesthetics. First off, the suspension, lifted na 2 inches yan. The mags and tires. The tires we changed to a 315 70-17 and the Black Mamba. Look at the Black Mamba. Black Mamba Tokyo. This is the two-tone Tokyo. Flat black and polish. Gloss black. Okay. So, sa build na to, yan, pinapogi natin. Pero syempre, as overlanders, meron pa rin tayong special na linagay sa mga overlanding equipment niya. Pero sige, dito muna tayo sa labas. We're done with the suspension, the mags and tires. Dito tayo sa front. Sir, pakifocus lang po yung napakaganda nating build. Ayan, okay. Sagad. Sa front, we did the aluminum bumper of TJM. Naka-winch din tayo na TJM. Yung breaker ng TJM for the winch, safety yan. Tapos, what is this? This is the TJM Narva Ultima na may park light. Grabe. Okay? So, this alone itself, sobrang lakas nito. Pero sabi niya, paano kung mabitin? Okay? We have the 180 degree KC highlight. That's the one on top. Up. Shout out kila KC. Salamat sa cup. Woo! Ganda ng cup natin, di ba? Pang pakboy na pakboy. Okay? So, yan ang KC highlights natin. Sobrang lapad yan. It can reach up to here sa gubat. So, 180 degree ang coverage niyan. Tapos, sobrang layo. I think, 1 kilometer daw yata ang layo nito. These are professional lights by KC. Okay? So, dito naman, sa likod, nag-rear bumper din tayo. And then, we added the mud guards para hindi naman matalsik. Okay, so these are all aesthetics na sobrang performance-based. Okay? Sa overlanding, okay, lalatag ko ng overlanding natin. Usuals tayo. Roof rack. Tapos, meron tayong TJM canopy, and then we mounted the water port here. Syempre may tubig tayo, may additional storage tayo para sa mga heavy artillery natin. Okay? These are quick release systems na pwedeng roam pa rin to, quick release systems na latch lang yan, makakalasan natin yan. And we also added the Starlink system here. Starlink system natin nandito lang to, so anytime pwede natin tanggalin, ibalik, tapos ikot natin, dito yung wires niya. Patong lang yan, para quick release lang din yan. Okay, else, this is the 270 awning natin. Dito tayo magka-camping sa side na to, 270. This is the Ava 270 awning. Sobrang ganda nito. Ito yung na-feature natin sa Tamaraw. These has legs. Kapag medyo mahangin, we always put it down para hindi nasisira to. Although this is very sturdy, I've tested this in winds na sobrang lakas sa camping natin. Okay naman siya, nakalimutan ko ibaba. Hindi naman siya nasira eh. So matibay siya. But in any case na sobrang lakas, always make sure na nakasecure to the floor and nakapeg yung mga areas natin to the floor. Para yung tubig, pag umulan, dito rin babagsak. Okay? So, shall we transfer to the very special part? Halika. Okay, take a look at our very clean area. So, sabi niya, camping daw sila. Gusto niya ng ref, power system. At, sir, mainit daw dito. So, we put the EcoFlow Wave 2. So, EcoFlow Wave natin, tingnan mo, ang lamig na nito. Grabe, lamig na ito. Papasok lang natin ito doon sa loob ng tent. Pasok lang natin ito dito. Malamig na magiging tent natin. Our tent is the TJM Walcha hard case. Okay? Very quick to deploy. Yung canopy naman natin, naglagay tayo ng mga ilaw. These lights are very easy to function. Ito lang yung switch niya. Look. Dito, pagbukas mo ng likod, switch na natin siya. On, white, amber white, tapos parang warm white yung kanina. Dimmable din siya through the switch. It's all powered through this EcoFlow system. Yan, we still have 40%. Yung EcoFlow natin, this is the Delta 2 Max, okay? Sobrang lakas ito. This can power this system 2 days, 3 days. Tapos maubos yung charge. On lang niya. We have the EcoFlow alternator charger charging this system. Tapos from here, pwede na tayo magsaksak ng kahit ano, the ref, that one, the EcoFlow aircon. Okay? Tapos meron tayong mga extension cords dito for the outlets and the cigarette lighter kung gusto niyo magkakabit na accessories. Also, the Ava awning has LED. So kung gusto natin ng LED, on lang natin yan. May diffuser pa siya dito, di ba? So, very nice, di ba? So kung gusto natin mag-camping dito, may diffuser tayo. Okay. Dito, sa kabila na lang tayo. Sa kabila, andito naman yung out ng table natin. This is the front runner table. We stow it under the roof rack. Ay, ito palang table na to, Diyos ko. Very proper na. Hindi na tayo kumain ng space sa loob, okay? So, ayun. Binilisan ko lang. Pero meron pa tayong special dito. Okay? Look at that. Oh, di ba? That's the HKX exhaust. Okay, bobomba ko. Diyan ka lang. Bomba ko. Ito yung tunog niya. Oh, di ba? Oh, yan ang tunog niya. Okay. Even with that, punta ka dito. Ang Raptor V6, by the way, has this button na exhaust na kasulat. So it has sport, baha, quiet, and normal. Hindi natin na-eliminate yan. Gumagana pa rin yan. Naulagay natin sa quiet. Kapag quiet, ito lang yung tunog niya. Ganun lang. Kiliti lang siya. But with the sport mode, ayan tunog niya. Mas malalim siya. Okay? So, there. Also, by the way, yung switches ng mga ilaw natin pala, dito natin nilagay. Since the Raptor has an abang of switches here. So, ito na yung switches natin. This is the LED bar at front. This is the KC highlights na pangalawa. Okay. And there's a third one. Ito. Yung third one, ito yan, oh. This is the reverse lights here. Ayan, oh. This is also TJM. Lahat to TJM. Wala tayong chinapsoy sa build na to. So, what do you say about our build? It's a 4-day build. 4 days natin ginawa with the custom brackets, roof rack, nagbaba pa tayong kisame, iningatan natin yung baba kasi brand new yung kotse. Binaba natin kisame, kinabit natin yung roof rack, custom brackets, custom EcoFlow tray. Itong tray na to yung bumubuhat dito para easily accessible yung mga ano natin. The EcoFlow, lahat saksakan nandito, switch mo lang dito, kapain mo lang, makikuha mo na yan. Tapos naka-charge na siya dito. Also yung charger ng EcoFlow andyan din. We all updated the apps na para hindi siya mag-drain ng main back natin. Ang ganda ng EcoFlow system natin, na-update natin siya para kung ano yung mag-trigger sa kanya para mag-charge, hindi siya mag-agaw, para hindi ma-drain yung main back. But in any case na merong mangyaring drainage ng main back, syempre sa build na to, every time you get this canopy of TJM, this TJM canopy, we always give a freebie na, what is this? TJM jump starter and power bank. Oh, di ba? Aside from that, syempre yung mga accessories natin, sinama na natin. It's all in here. Okay? This is a TJM clear storage bag. Dito ko nalagay lahat ng accessories natin. So, syempre, iwas huli. Oh, ito yung covers nung ilaw. Also, the TJM light bar has its own cover. So, lahat yan may blackout covers para hindi tayo mahuli the water port, di ba? The water port hose, and this is the winch remotes. Okay? Winch remotes. Okay, manual remote, this is the automatic remote. Okay? Yun. What else is in here? So, pwede naman magdagdag na kung ano-ano dito. Dito rin yung Starlink niya. The Starlink router is also here. You plug the Starlink router here. Gagana na yung Starlink natin. Wag lang makalimutan na makuha yung Starlink doon pag umuwi kasi nakapatong lang siya. It's just a quick system para doon na siya, hindi siya paalat sa campsite. Okay? It's mounted up high. Okay, so, ayun. Thank you very much for this privilege of setting up this very special Raptor V6 brand new sagad to the bone. Ganda. By the way, naka-quick release pala yung mga TEDs natin, no? Thank you, Frontrunner. Frontrunner quick release yan. So in any case na mataas masyado to, mababa lang natin to sa bahay. Quick release lang yan. 4 latches, pak, tanggal na kaagad. Tubuhan na to. Okay, so this is our very convenient aircon also. Para hindi mainitan ang nagka-camping sa loob. Papasok na natin sa bintana. And you stow it inside the car. Okay? Basically, this system, may extra battery pa to dun sa ilalim. Will run in the camp kasama to with the Starlink. Yeah, can do 3 to 4 days easily. Basta charge natin lahat pag uwi. Diba, yung mga extra battery charge na natin. Parang hindi naman lahat nakasalalay sa alternator. May baon na tayo. So, this build is a combination of portability and yung fixed natin na nandun. Yun yung fixed na yun eh. Pinix na natin yun doon. Naka-clamp siya. Pero pwede pa rin natin bunutin yan. Tanggalin natin. Okay? Other than that, this one's portable. Portable, you can also bring it out. Andyan yung mga plugs niya, pwede natin tago dito. Okay. This is, by the way, also, dagdag ko na lang. This is an alu cup na slider. Di ba? Yan ang ref natin. Slider yan. In the event sa future daw, baka daw dun tayo maglagay ng drawer. Sa future. So this is an alu cup tilting fridge slide. So pag mag-drawer tayo, katulad ng ginawa natin sa Ranger na build natin last time, pag mag-drawer tayo, this fridge slide can still be on top of the drawer, tapos ititilt pa rin natin siya para mag-open. That's why we got the fridge na end open, para pag nag-tilt siya, madali siya buksan, hindi yung left and right. Alright? I hope may natutunan tayo sa build na to. Marami tayong natutunan on how to make an easy build look very, very extra special. Build wise, this one costed a little less than 2. Okay? A little less than 2. Sobrang happy naman si client kasi marami naman tayong dinagdag ng mga freebies like the mud guards, the brackets. Hindi na natin kinount yun. Custom brackets, okay. So, ayun. Ito pala, oh. For the awning to span out, ganun pa rin. Hook. Naglagay tayo extra hook dito. Satak lang. Alright? Ready to camp? See you sa camping. Let us know kung meron tayong may improve dito. Pero for now, sobrang solid. For me, as an overlander, I think this build, sobrang happy ako sa build na to. Portability, lahat ng gamit may ilalagay ko dyan. Yun doon naman yung request ni client na gusto niya, marami pa rin silang gamit kasi mga staff niya. Tapon lang niya sa loob. That's why we didn't opt for the drawer yet. Okay? So, see you sa camping. Adios!